Hey, the day is nice. Yesterday I watched a movie that was really nice. Your dress is nice. Well, I hope by now you must have understood that on what I'm going to have this video. I have spoke 3 sentences, and in each of the sentence I have used the same compliment, that is nice, right? And if you are doing the same, then the way my sentences and my speech went boring, likewise your speech and your conversation also goes boring. And so I thought, why not to make a video in which I can give alternative of the word nice. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Khakhar, and as I have told that every time something new, something interesting will be coming up in my channel, and so today I have come up with the alternative of word nice. So what I have done is I have divided into 3 different situations, that is using it as an adjective, using it for a person, or if you're using it for someone's behavior. Right? So whenever you want to address nice, at that time you can use this according to your situation or according to your conversation. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. So number 1 is about using it as an adjective. It could be for thing, for days, for food, for dress, etc. Right? So number 1 word for it is charming. Charming. For example, you look charming today. Right? Then we have amazing. Amazing. Okay, amazing, you can use it for the day also, like the day is amazing. Then the third one we have is stunning. Like you look stunning. Stunning is like more than beautiful, very attractive. At that time you can use stunning. Then comes mind-blowing. Mind-blowing, you can use it for maybe for the movie, for the day, for the party, anything. Like yesterday I had mind-blowing party. Okay, then comes fascinating. Fascinating. Fascinating, for example, the plan for the trip is fascinating. Okay, then we have is alluring. Alluring. Alluring, you can use it for the dress, for the a day, for someone's looks, for anything. Then comes appealing. Appealing. The other one is my favorite, that is charismatic. Charismatic, in the sense very, very attractive, the great personality. If you want to call someone's personality is great, then you can use this word, that is charismatic. Charismatic is like more than beautiful, more than fascinating, more than fantastic, very, very attractive. At that time you can say charismatic. Then glorious. Glorious. The next word we have is blissful. Blissful. Then marvelous. Marvelous. The other one is very common, that is beautiful. Beautiful. Right? Like this lady is beautiful. Then splendid. Splendid. Wonderful. Wonderful, you can even tell for someone's work, like you have done wonderful work. Amusing. Amusing. Great. Then we have magnificent. Magnificent. Then you can even say delicious. Like if the food, if you're talking about, then you can say delicious. And dreamy. Dreamy. So these were the words for the days or the things or food or dress, for example. Then we have for the person, when you want to call someone as a nice person, then we have so many different words. For example, instead of calling that person nice, you can say kind person. He's a kind person. Or gentle. He's a gentle person. Then this word is a new, that is benevolent. Benevolent. that means nice, kind, polite kind of person. Then lovable. Lovable. You can even call that person as friendly. That person is nice, that means that person is friendly. Then compassionate. Compassionate. Compassionate means same, that is friendly. You can even say delightful. Okay? Gracious. This person is gracious. He knows how to behave, he knows how to pause, he knows how to speak. That is gracious. And you can even say soft-hearted. Soft-hearted. Okay? So these were the words if you want to use it for the person, when you want to call that person as a nice person. Then other than that, we are having this list. You can use any of the words you want. And the third one, that is when you want to address someone's behavior. Okay, then what will you say? You can say that person's behavior is courteous. Okay, that person's behavior is nice. That means that person's behavior is courteous. Then cultured. Okay, cultured. The other word is polite. Polite. Your behavior is very polite. Then the other word is aristocratic. Aristocratic in the sense very elegant, very disciplined, and very a kind of rich person who is having that etiquettes to behave in front of others. That is aristocratic. Then elegant. Elegant in the sense decent person. Then you can even say noble. Noble. Then well behaved. Okay, when you want to say someone's behavior is nice, then you can even say well behaved. Sophisticated. His behavior is sophisticated. Okay. Then we have gracious. Gracious. Graceful. Okay, graceful. You are behaving very gracefully. Then polished. Is behaving very politely, and he is very polished person. And the last for the day is respectable. Respectable. So this is it about today's video. I have one homework for you, and what you have to do is, if you find alternative other than these words, then put it in the comment section. You can make sentences of it, and let's grow together. So if you like the video, then please like, share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.